Wow! Man, that's going fast. Hold on, hold on. Whoa! Come on, come on, go inside. He can't. Sit, 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 sit. Oh, the power went out. 56, 70, 69.
Push. It broke. Thank you.
Good grief. Oh man, there's the chicken house.
Oh, no.
That must have been a tornado. Yeah, John? Hey, we just had 75, almost 80-mile-an-hour winds come through here. It destroyed a bunch of stuff. It just took stuff off of our porch and threw it like crazy. We couldn't hardly get the door shut on the house. Yeah, my antenna made it through it, but the windsock's bent over. Oh man. My antenna made it.
Oh man, this.
Yeah.
This chicken tractor flew over 60 feet. It flew up over our house from behind the chicken house, which is, you see here. The chicken house roof weighs about 150 pounds. It was secured by 2 metal turnbuckles, and the wind busted the turnbuckles. The chicken yard that was over there, the chicken tractor, it actually flew from back here up over the house, and it caught the corner of the house and damaged the fascia and the eave just a little bit. We really didn't have much damage to the house, just this, and a little bit of the soffit was blown in right here, and a couple of shingles were missing off the roof. A piece of wood, a skid, hit the back of this window when it was airborne and busted that out. Here's our saw shop. You can see the doors hanging by one side and the opener. This other side's pretty much just hanging there. The walls on the tin walls on the outside and the OSB walls on the inside are delaminated from the post part of the way. Right here is quite a ways. Here's the inside view of the same door.
Okay, what we have here is the sharpener. The end of the sharpener was up against the wall, and the wall came in so far that it pushed the sharpener 18 or so inches. All this junk on the floor used to be up against the wall. The welder was up against the wall. Right here are the wheels that go in the door.
They go right here. This is a foot at the bottom down here. So that's an additional 1.5 feet. The wall came out to push that stuff.
Oh. This used to be plugged in right here, and the plug is somewhere in there.
It's right here, up in the wall.
The north wall moved because it drugged the edger. The edger went north because the edger is actually attached to the wall, so it doesn't slide around.
So the edge moved 1/4 inch or a little more.
Yeah, 1/4 inch on the floor, which means the top of the building had to go 4 or 5 inches.
Yeah, there's a big belly on that wall. And that's the north wall. This is the showroom roll-up door. It was delaminated from the post as well. The whole jamb's pulled away, the door framework. That's the wall pulled away above the walk-in door. And here's the roll-up door. It's a couple-inch gap. Here's a close-up. You can see the nails there. The attic had all the purlins are wet because the tin is leaking at all the screws. The supports are pulled out in some of the angle bracing. Some of the nailers are pulled out from the wind racking it so hard. Here's another. This is our sawdust bunker. It wasn't finished yet. It was attached to these 2,200-pound concrete blocks. Each block weighs that much, and it picked up the blocks and then reset them back down. Wheelbarrows flew about 500-600 feet. One of them punched a hole in the tin. This tin is about a half a mile away at the farthest point. Some pallets blew apart. Firewood scattered. The Quonset probably would have collapsed completely, but it's leaning up against the lumber inside. As you can see there, the top of the Quonset's blown back. The front of it's racked too, about 6 inches or so. This is another view from the back.